In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. All you need to do is go into Settings and click on the Bluetooth section available here. Then use gray switcher next to Bluetooth to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option. Then select pair at the bottom right corner and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Quick tip: if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet, you will need to accept connection request manually on the second device. You don't have to do that while connecting to devices like speakers or headphones. Now, to manage chosen connection, you can find all of your connected devices under Paired. You need to hit this gear next to the chosen one. Check out all of those options, and to unpair, hit unpair at the bottom. You'll always be able to reconnect the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!